Hello everyone, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, Namaste, and welcome back to the live with me. And we are really happy. I am so happy. So many people are joining in. Hello. How are you? I hope you are really good, and I am doing good as well. Hello, Dikshant. So, hello, Akhilesh Yadav. Hello, Shashank. And okay, so I have so many people joining in. That's so nice. Hello. Uh, well, yes, this question has been like if you put this as a hashtag, it'll get trending to the top of the world because the number of students that we have over here, I am really sure that this is going to be trending to the top of the world. Okay, so someone just said, could you please introduce yourself? So, Sat Sri Akal, Adab, Namaste, good evening, and welcome to UNYC's My Unscripted Moments. My name is Sachin Sidra, and I'm going to be your host again for the day. And we all have been meeting quite a few times. We all have met, हम लोग मिलते रहे हैं, and there have been a lot of guests that have been a part of this My Unscripted Moments. And it is really a proud moment for me every time to come and be a part of My Unscripted Moments as a host, because when I come in as the host for My Unscripted Moments, it's not just that I come in as a host for the UNYC. It's just like being the head of the family. You are sitting there and talking to someone and representing the entire family, and we are really happy, and I feel my entire UNYC family gets really proud whenever we do this My Unscripted Moments. Yes, and yes, officially Team UNYC is also here. They are welcoming all of you. University opening, well, if you're a student of the lovely professional university, if you're a Virto, then there is only one place that you get this confirmed news, and that is called the University Management System, the UMS. So please keep checking your UMS announcements, you will get that. And before that, let me just remind you that you guys need to have your vaccinations done to come to the university once it opens in a phased manner, and then you have to have a huge precautionary backup as well. You can't just come into the university carefree. Precautions are still on. It's not over yet. We are still facing, in many parts of the country, we are facing the cases. So please be careful, and please be very careful. When are you guys going to make? I really want to say that yes, very soon we are going to try and get the Olympic gold medalist also on LPU's official channel very soon, but we can't say for now because he's been busy with a lot of other things, and yes, he has a lot of things to take care of. Well, the third wave is coming up. What about international studies? Well, it's always there. You can take that option. Why not? I miss you all too. There are some of my students. I'm so happy they're saying I miss you. Guys, I miss you a lot. And trust me, there is no one who would miss offline classes more than I do, because my classes, I just love to interact with students, and this is one place I actually feel that I'm interacting with you all, and this is so lovely for me. So it's just, I really feel that, and I pray to God every day that please Bhagwan ji, कृपया यूनिवर्सिटी खोलने में हमारी मदद करें, बिकॉज हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी भी आप लोगों को बहुत मिस करती है. यूनिवर्सिटी इटसेल्फ मिसेस यू ऑल. द कैंपस लुक्स, the last time I was in the university, the campus was looking sad that the students are not there, but slowly and gradually it's getting lively again. Let's hope that you all come back to LPU, and thank you, I love you a lot. Although I can't recognize you by your Instagram name, but yes, thank you so much. You're not able to study online? Well, you don't have to study online. Study is to be done with yourself. You have to learn online. So grab the concept, revise it on your own. That's how you do it online. All right. The campus vibes. Oh, I don't miss my own campus so much as I'm missing, my own student where I was a student. I don't miss that much as I'm missing LPU right now. And trust me, this is not going to go down well with my mentors. They are going to ask me, "Acha, you don't miss your own alma mater campus?" But that's true. And this is something about LPU. If you have been into the campus once and you have seen the vibe over there, you have seen the flamboyance over there, you can't help but miss it when you're not there, right? And yes, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat to everyone again. I am seeing a lot of Jai Hind and all that. Yes. Ankush, for that you'll have to contact the admissions, via lpu.in. Yes, if you're done with both the doses, please let the university know about it. You have your ways of uploading your certificates, vaccination certificates. Yes, thank you so much. Jai Hind again. And I just love it when someone says Jai Hind sir. I'm like, yes, Jai Hind. So it's really nice. So, and you should be proud in saying Jai Hind. What's the big deal? I can read some questions. I'm not going to answer them because this is not about me. This is about UNYC's My Unscripted Moments. And speaking of flamboyance, vibe, and the aura that we were talking about a university, the guest that we are going to have today carries a lot of good vibes, a lot of magnetic aura. And the guest, you all have known that guest, you all have seen that guest, not just in Hindi drama and cinema, but even in Telugu and Bengali drama and cinema. And the guest that we are going to have today in some moments is going to be someone you can recognize very easily. And yes, once the college opens, I would love to do that. I'd love to do that. I am not ashamed. I am not conscious when someone says Jai Hind to me. I just do this Jai Hind back with a loud Jai Hind because that's what I am. I'm proud of my nation. I'm proud of the tricolor flag. And I'm proud to be an Indian. And I hope all of you are as well. So if you are so if you are proud to be an Indian, can I have a Jai Hind on the chat? Everyone, go ahead, give me a Jai Hind. Yes, Rajkumar, please contact admissions via lpu.in. You will get to know if the admissions are open for UG and PG, and you'll get all the information through that. I'll not be the right person for that because I don't take care of the admissions actually. I train, I teach, I am an assistant professor at the Department of Soft Skills. So yes, that's what I am. And yes, let the Jai Hinds keep flowing. Thank you so much. Thank you. It is indeed a pleasure to see all those Jai Hinds over here. Yes, you're absolutely right. Yes, people are guessing also who's coming in. So yes, in some time we are going to have the guest over here. In about 1 or 2 minutes more, we'll have the guest over here, and I am going to be welcoming that guest over here. And along with me, you all are also going to welcome that guest with good comments and very warm aura that you create with yourself over here on the chat. So yes, you are going to do that. And well, we are taking down your suggestions, audience, and we'll try to bring in those people as well. We are getting my team is also here on the chat. They are noting down everything, and they are here, and they are going to take down the suggestions. So for sure, they are coming up and they will come up with the guest list that you guys are suggesting, because it's all about you, right? So let's go and let's add our guest. Okay, so all right. The guest, let's see. Really? You want him here?
Hello.
So, good
Hi.
evening, good evening. Hi, and namaste. Welcome to my unscripted moments from UNYC, and you're on the official page of LPU. So all the virtuos are there saying hello and hi to you. You can first tell them a good hi and
God.
hello, and then we proceed.
Thank you. Namaste. And I'm so happy to be here. It's a wonderful day, and I'm quite excited for this. And thank you, sir, for having me because I love the idea that what you're doing, the whole team of UNYC. It's a really good movement. Think big, and I'm sure we'll have a great session today.
Yes, of course. So I was reading about you, and I quite read about your journey. So I'm going to start from the beginning only.
Okay.
Um, how did the fresh face competition happen for you in your life? Oh,
I'm
is that me?
right. So basically, I'm a science student, and
Mm-hmm.
I've been studying, and I was doing my practical classes, and then suddenly people were like, "There's a fresh face hunt happening. You really need to go." My friend literally pushed me. She's like, "Go through that, go." I'm like, "No, I have to be in the laboratory and everything, and I can't do this." But I somehow ended up doing that, and I think that's one of the biggest reasons that one push from my friend has led me to be here today.
Right. So, see, guys, this is a standing example that if you have good friends, they push you into good things. Not always friends are bad, and you have to choose your friends very wisely. So,
Right.
Trida, speaking from there, if I have to ask you, fresh face, okay, that was a push. Then, how did the journey progress? Kolkata to Mumbai, and then finally now you're working with Yashraj. Recently, you've been working in the unit of Shamshera, right? So that is something that I read. Okay, and I want you to confirm that first.
See, I think it's not about which production house I am going to be working with or I've just worked with. I think as a person, I feel I'm quite, I feel very good and privileged that it's been a long process, a long journey. And I'm really happy to share this with all my audience and everyone. And like you said, it's very important to have a good set of friends. So I think if you have a good set of friends and family and those who've known you before you were anyone, it's the correct way to head in life. And yes, coming back to your thing, yes, अफवाह तो बहुत है. There's a lot of rumors about this. I'm going to be a little tight-lipped about it because honestly, I don't want to talk much about that. Today we are going to have unscripted moments. People know what my projects are, what projects are going to come. आज उसके बारे में नहीं बात करेंगे. आज किसी और चीज के बारे में बात करेंगे. I'm sure.
All right. So tell me, apart from all these glam and glitter and everything, how is Trida as a person, or rather, what were you? Just a studious girl, or you were the naughty next, the naughty girl in the class? How were you as a student?
I think I've always been like a mix of everything. मतलब मैंने class भी bunk किया है. I'm not encouraging that, but it's everybody needs to enjoy that. I think it's life is very dull when you're just studious or you're just into. I mean, you need to be an all-rounder, and being a student, it's not about being a good or bad student. It's about having everything, a part of it. Because I like we had a very structured syllabus. Kids should be encouraged to do what they feel like. If you want to get into sports, if you want to get into a creative zone, you should be encouraged. So yes, get your good grades, crack your school and college and everything, but it's important to be a part of everything. But yeah, I definitely have been a little studious and also a lot fun. I remember I was a captain of school, so I had a card. Like, I actually have had requests from friends ki like, please मुझे class से निकाल ले, please मुझे class से निकाल ले because you have to. So who is watching this will relate to this. हम सबने ऐसा किया है and yeah, I'm happy. That was my childhood. Those were my school day memories. I'm proud of who I was and who I am today.
All right. So, tell me, how was it facing the camera for the very first time? I mean, as a person, how was it? The pehla shot, pehla, routine, and the first time on the set. How was it? What was the feeling inside?
That's a very interesting question that you asked. Honestly, I was very nervous because I was working with really big actors and all. My first film is a Bengali film, directed by Mukherjee, and it had really good actors. Prashant Chatterjee, who's like a superstar of Bengal. कुछ नहीं आता मुझे. I don't know what where to look, how to face, how to get light. It's not about looking good. People being an actor is about मेकअप लगा लिया बैठ गए हम नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. So technical. You have to know how to capture your light, how to maintain the ratio of the frame. Like when आपको पता होना चाहिए कौन से लेंस में क्या काम हो रहा है. बहुत नर्वस थी. इनफैक्ट आई शेयर फनी इंसिडेंट विद यू. इजिप्ट में वी वर शूटिंग माय फर्स्ट फिल्म. तो ऐसे कैमल चेज सीक्वेंस है. अब मुझे नहीं पता कैमरा कहाँ पे है. मुझे असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर ने ठीक से नहीं बताया कि क्या हो रहा है. सबको इस तरफ देखना था. डायरेक्टर ने एक्सप्लेन किया शॉट. आई वॉज अ लिटिल इनअटेंटिव और मे बी आई वॉज नर्वस एंड मैं कहीं और ही देख रही हूँ. मेरे वजह से वो शॉट रुक गया. लाइक दे हैड टू रीडू दैट. दैट वाज अ लिटिल स्कैरी टू बी ऑनेस्ट. दैट वाज डांट पड़ी.
ऑलराइट, बट ऐसी डांट कहते हैं कि जितनी भी क्रिएटिव लोगों से डांट पड़ती है उनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए भी मिलता है उस डांट के साथ. सो द लर्निंग वुड हैव बीन इमेंस आउट ऑफ इट.
We get immense things out of it. Like school and college, when it's not about being, it's about cultivating discipline, which is very important. I think that is what, and I think teachers these days are much more friendlier, and they need to have that outlook towards life. We shouldn't be intimidating our students. I mean, start ke वैसा नहीं. You can be strict about it. It's a different. तो yeah,
या
काफी डांट अभी तक मम्मा से पड़ती है. My mom injured. My mom injured, so I do get a lot of dance from.
Yeah, I'll just share a small incident here, talking about dance. So I'm a very naughty kid as well. My
Yeah.
my parents still tell me you might be a professor at the university. घर में तू हमारा बेटा ही है, ठीक है ना? तो डांट मुझे फिर भी पड़ जाती है. And I think it's important. थोड़ी बहुत डांट पड़ना भी important है. So
So many comments. Thank you guys for just. I mean, I think people must have seen my last project, which is Ashram, directed by Prakash Jha. और डांट से याद आया जो आपने बोला. मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ी थी प्रकाश सर से for coming late on set. It's so
oh
essential to respect time, to be respectful of time, that I think आज भी life के लिए sharp. I was like, okay, this time. I mean, I don't want to be late even for like by 2-3 minutes. Yeah.
I would just want to come to that. See, working with Prakash Jha is a dream for so many people, and you've achieved that dream, or rather, you've achieved that feat so early in your career, because there are some who are still dreaming about it. How was the feeling at that time? कि ऐसा लगा कि चलो भाई ऐसे करेंगे, वाह, I'm working with Prakash Jha. That's so nice.
I think working is a different thing, and also I mean with Prakash Jha and his entire team, सबका ऐसा bonding है ना. It's not like a one-off relationship कि इसी project के लिए हम दोस्त थे.
Hmm.
Have a relationship of an actor, director, or team member. We've literally become family, and ऐसे ही चलता है. So I think when I looked at Sir, I was so scared of him. मेरी बोलती बंद हो गई थी. मतलब I couldn't think. He worked with all the A-listers. I'm working with him. I'm even in the same. He has that aura. He has that charisma, the dignity about him, and yeah. So honestly, I was very scared initially, but धीरे धीरे when sir's appreciation started coming, बहुत जरूरी होता है. Like आप एक professor, आप students को motivate करते हैं. Like your appreciation for your students is what keeps them going, it drives them on. If they don't get that, then yeah. So similarly, I got
Appreciation surely
हाँ,
is important.
बहुत I started getting appreciation. तब मुझे लगा okay, then I'm heading.
All right. So speaking of Ashram again, how was it working with Bobby Deol? I mean, established, old, seasoned actor, on top of it from the fraternity, coming from a family of actors. What was
Right.
it like sharing the screen with him and off the screen with him?
Absolutely. I'll start with off the screen because on screen, I'm sure people have seen we've all justified our characters, and it's been a great comeback for him because not I don't mean comeback as an actor. I mean comeback as a character that he's played on screen.
Hmm.
तो ऑफ स्क्रीन की बात करूँ तो लाइक ही इज वेरी फनी पर्सन लाइक हमेशा गाना एक एक अलग ही दुनिया में रहते एंड चंदन अदिति all of us as team members we had a lot of fun कि अयोध्या में शूट करना फॉर मंथ्स एंड मंथ्स एंड इट लिटरली बिग बॉस के हाउस की तरह बन गया था लाइक वी ऑल सबको सबका फ्लॉस पता है सबको पता है कौन करता है सो ओवरऑल it was not just him every team member के साथ I'm looking forward to that. By the way, I'm going to crack a good news. Ashram, the sequel, we are going to shoot very soon, and this
Oh,
yeah. So for all my audience जिनको बहुत ही they were excited and they were waiting for that. It's a very good space to tell you guys we are actually coming back with the sequel to Ashram, so we're going to start shooting for it soon.
so this news is exclusively live on LPU official page that Ashram, the next part, the next installment,
Yeah.
is going to be starting shoot very soon and confirmed by Trida Chaudhary herself. So ladies and gentlemen, देखते रहिए अगले episode के लिए आश्रम के wait करते रहिए and we have Trida Chaudhary with us. So Trida, moving on to the next thing, how is it watching your own self acting on the screen? ये कैसा लगता है?
तो ऑनेस्टली सच्ची बताऊं तो एज एन एक्टर जैसे मैंने बताया इट्स नॉट अबाउट जस्ट लुकिंग so for playing Babita's character I had to put on weight to look the part, to look like a mature girl because I'm not. I mean, I'm playing a girl which was much more mature and a very different
Mhm.
kind of. So मैं बहुत upset हो गई थी when I saw myself on screen. देखा थोड़ी मोटी लग रही हूँ. Not the usual way I'm used to seeing myself. Like how तो थोड़ा धक्का लगा था. And I was like, I don't feel confident because I'm not looking my best that way. But then the audience stunned me. They were like, no, this is, you had to do this for the part. You had to put on weight for the part. You had to look like that. Then I started feeling better about myself. This is also something I'm sharing. It's very unscripted. लोगों को पता नहीं था. I was a tad bit upset because I was like, wow, that looks like a very different person altogether. तो जब भी आप बहुत अलग दिखते हो, आपको थोड़ा सा एक इनसिक्योरिटी जैसी फीलिंग होती है एज एन like people are watching this, they're going to judge me, पता नहीं कैसे होगा. But very thankful कि सबने अपनाया, so I'm quite happy about that. So that is the looking part of it. But if you talk about कैसा लगता है खुद को देखने में, I don't watch too much of my shows or films. But हाँ, if I have to rectify myself, yeah, definitely.
All right. So that's great. Now let's coming on to social media for you. Let me just ask you. It's all said, and there are many statements that many people give about social media. What do you think social media is in today's date? What is its importance? What are its pros and what are its cons, according to you?
The pros and cons are like, I mean, that's a very wide topic to talk about. So I'll talk about how I relate to social media and my honest opinion there. It's a space, guys, everything has become digital. It's the world जहाँ पे it's become a platform for many people to actually, come up and share something. Could be business related, could be coming up the ranks, could be there, even if they're feeling low about something, they're expressing a space to express. That freedom is what social media is giving and comes with great responsibility. Is what I think. जो responsibility का part है, जैसे people having political, It's great, but just don't make it like a chaotic space. Learn. I
Hmm.
personally, media is a space
Hmm.
to learn, unlearn, socialize. It's not about कि आपके जो school friends, your college friends, your work colleagues है, या just family. You just don't learn from them. The world is like a huge space, and social media gives that access. Like मैं यहाँ पे बैठ के, if I need something done all the way across the globe, it's just the click of a button, few searches, and I've always tried, right? But it's always like a mail away. I'm always a mail away
Hmm.
or away from achieving something which was impossible a
That's
few years.
true.
I feel social media is a beautiful space which should be used responsibly.
Okay, and one thing that pinches you about social media and its usage in
Yeah.
broad sense, something that pinches you.
It's very simple. It's no. I'm not going to talk about the other things, which is like why do people troll and all. No, we humans have a habit of doing that. हम social media पे करे या किसी को करे या नहीं करे. That's a common. That's a very human thing to do. Like trolling, talking something bad about someone. Let's forget about that. I'll come to the point. I think social media, the disadvantage is screen time. People's screen time have gone up. Like they start their morning and they end it with that. So I personally feel set a timer, not just a digital timer कि your phone will get locked. हाँ, वो तो ठीक है. Control your mind, keep your mind कि सुबह उठ के, unless you really like, let's say a part of my work is revolves around my Instagram insight. Part it's a business. I influence for brands. I promote brands. I do paid collaborations. It's business for me,
Hmm.
but I don't let it get to my head. I have a timing for it. I'll encourage everyone who's watching this कि use it, do your thing. अगर मस्ती के लिए भी कुछ कर रहे हो for entertainment purposes, it's good. Don't be completely immersed in it. उससे बाहर भी एक दुनिया है. Try to enjoy that. Yeah.
That's absolutely right, and you've given a very good thing because when we talk about this in the class, and trust me, my students would be thinking that sir ने शायद कुछ cues भेजे हुए already screen time और ये सारी चीजों because we often talk about this in the classes that you should have meaningful screen time, and
Very, very
the
important.
pandemic has anyways increased screen time for everyone from the young ones to the eldest of elders. Screen times have gone up big time. uh, all right. So tell me, coming from a normal, non-filmy background, middle class family, and a very humble, uh, past, how did you manage to convince your parents? Okay, let me embark on the journey of getting into acting and then doing this celebrity stuff.
I'm happy to be and humbled to be part of a very privileged family from Kolkata. So I've possibly had it a little bit easier than others, I would say. That's a blessing. And
Mm-hmm.
financially, yes, it's okay. We're great, good. But I'm trying to talk about कि support from parents. तो मुझे कभी वो जोन नहीं मिला कि चाहे मैं if I pursue my like do architecture या acting या जो भी है, I have to really tell my parents like, oh my god, I have to, please, rona dhona ye wo. Nahi, that's a different kind of drive, and I'm sorry that some people have to go through that. I really hope their parents are more open like my parents. Um, they just told me one golden rule: just be in touch with us, have a communication, always have us around you as pillars. So I'm trying as much as I can. I'm trying as much as I can.
That's very nice. And I would also support you in your wish that parents should keep an open mindset today because children are thinking way beyond the conventional careers. They are going a lot of unconventional careers are coming up and they're going into that. And speaking of unconventional, I think the OTT platforms have been unconventional and have been a breakthrough for the entertainment industry. And when I talk about OTT platforms, I cannot forget but talk about one of your series, and that's Bandish Bandit. Probably one of my favorites. And how was Bandish Bandit, and how has it shaped your career, or rather given path to Sridhar Chaudhary to be in the limelight for a bigger part of it?
See, I think the idea is it's not. I mean, it was very tough. It's a very tough question you asked. I'll tell you why. Bandish Bandits is something. which has given me like a more docile character, which people are not used to seeing. Like as a person, Tridha is like chirpy. I'm a talkative person. मतलब इतनी बात करती हूँ मैं like people are like okay, calm down. So I get to play some Sandhya, which is a very different character, challenge from me, and I like that. If I keep playing a person who's very close to me, so that gets boring. Right? So that is one of the key points in Bandish Bandits why I accepted that role, because I've always played only solo leads. But I think in OTT platforms, you are allowed to play a part of primary characters. It's no more about a first lead, second lead, yeah, aisa. If you get a very good part of a good script, you should take it. So if there's some actors watching this, I'd encourage you guys. It's always good to be a part of a bigger canvas, than just to be like a very big project. I mean, just big thing, or like just a solo lead in a project which is very. It's not of as adequate importance as the other one would be. Sorry, my voice. Yeah. So if I can simplify it for everyone, Bandish has given me that place to express. मतलब मुझे गाना बहुत पसंद है, I'm not talking about just singing. Please मुझे अभी गाने बोलना because yeah.
All right, I won't do that.
Thank you. I mean, I would love to maybe in another chat, but thoda sa it's been affected. I got to express a different side to me in Bandish. And of course, work with great set of actors and directors.
Hmm. All right. So, speaking of journey, you are a travel enthusiast as well, and people who follow your Instagram, they'll know that you have a lot of traveling pictures and all
Right.
those things. So, tell me, how has traveling helped you develop your personality? And moreover, what is the best thing that traveling has ever taught to you that you take it as a very important lesson for your life?
This is probably my favorite question because I love to ask. लोग बोलते अरे दिन रात घूमते रहते. So I'll give you guys an example. The idea is not where. It's not an exotic location. It's not कि अमेरिका में हूँ या Seychelles. Matter is even अगर मैं घर I mean, my mind has to space to feel very good about myself. So खाना is a very important thing for me. So when I the culture, that's very important. तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. As a person, how its persona is, may be very um, like receptive of other people's opinions and cultures. मतलब just because I'm an Indian, I don't have to always do everything Indian. My culture, my foundation, yes, but it doesn't have to be ki I can't be a little westernized. My taste in music does not have to be exclusively Bollywood. I'm a part of Bollywood. I have very good collection of jazz music or blues or something, and I can appreciate it. So this is what traveling has taught me. Be more receptive. I there's no end. मतलब there's just no end. Even अगर मैं morning walk पे जाती हूँ, वहाँ पे अगर किसी से मिल लिया, वो भी एक तरह से travel ही हुआ ना, from one point to another,
Right.
and I different set of people. There's green, there's that. So I think it's not a कि लोगों को लगता है कि like oh my, I have to earn enough to travel. Guys, honestly, अपनी होम टाउन पे भी जाओगे तो बहुत से जो हमने शायद नहीं देखे. You don't need to be loaded. You don't need to fly in a private jet or something like that. कि अगर घर से बाहर भी निकलोगे घर के टेरेस पे और अगर वो एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करोगे.
All right. So, let me just ask you, since you were a microbiology student. So, if Trida was not an actor, where would microbiology would have led to you as a professional? क्या कर रहे होते आप?
ये क्वेश्चन लास्ट 2 साल में पैंडेमिक हैज मेड मी थिंक ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. मैंने मम्मा से पूछा था कि am I doing a more responsible job by being an actor and an influencer and helping people by being a voice, or would I have
Mm-hmm.
for developing vaccines and all of that? Everything has a good timing. Everything happens for a good reason. I'm not going to regret that. So I love my actor. I'm owning the part that I'm an actor. I think I'm doing a better thing to the community by being a voice and a friend to millions of people. But अगर वो option मुझे मिलता, तो मुझे स्किन आई लव स्किन केयर, यू नो. मैं
Hmm.
सबको न्यूट्रिशन, स्किन केयर, फिटनेस, दे ऑल गो हैंड इन हैंड. अ गुड लाइफस्टाइल, अ गुड
Hmm.
होलिस्टिक, व्हाट आई एनकरेज. तो उसी के you know related to that, शायद I would have probably um, gotten into the aesthetics of skin. Yeah.
All right, that's great. So, Rida, I'm going to ask you a few questions. You have to make a choice between A and B, and it's going to be rapid fire kind of a thing that we are going to play. And you have to
So
be very, you have to be very quick in answering that, or else after 10 seconds I'll say pass, and we move to the next question.
I'll pass.
So,
I'll pass my audience. My audience will answer. Are you guys ready for that? Thumbs
all
up,
right, the
guys.
audience, you are helping Sweta in this. Give us a thumbs up, and then we start. Come on, audience.
Yep. They're ready. They're ready. They're looking for the
Yes.
thumbs up.
Yes,
Yeah.
they are ready because yes. So
Sure.
they are using your ashram takya kalam japnam everyone. So
Yeah. Guys, jump now.
all right. So here we go. So choose one of these: swimming or dancing.
Swimming.
All right. Acting or traveling.
Traveling.
Books or socializing.
Books, books, books. Please, books.
All right. Enjoying success, cherishing the journey.
Sorry, you have to repeat that.
Enjoying the success, cherishing the journey.
Cherishing the journey any day. Can I get thumbs up for that, guys? Cherishing the journey.
Yeah, of course. Yes.
Never ending.
Cherishing the journey is more important. Photo shoot or filming.
Filming. It just
All right.
the best manner.
This one's special for me. Kolkata or Mumbai?
Tough call. Tough. I want to put Bombay or Kolkata. I don't know. It's a tough call. They both have different vibes. Tough call. I'm
Yes,
gonna
they
pass.
do. All right. So, last one. Indian street food or exotic international cuisine?
I like papri chaat so much, so I'm going to stick to Indian street food.
I could guess that, and trust me, why? Because I've recently been to Kolkata and I've seen the craze of puchkas and jhalmuris and papri chaats and people over there. So
Go
I
West Khana, because of COVID situations, be a little careful. I'm sure the vendors are doing better. I mean, they're also bringing a smile to our face by serving papri chaat and everything. Yeah, be a little careful,
yes.
but indulge anyway. It's okay.
All right. So, Sweta, it was really wonderful talking to you. I would leave you in this last segment with the audience, giving them a message about what you think they should be, moving towards something as an advice that you would like to give them, because everyone is coming out of the pandemic. The mindsets are a little different than, 2019, 2020 and 21 have actually changed a lot of mindsets. So how would you give them an advice to come back to their usual ways slowly and gradually? And what is your advice for them that you would want they should follow in this years, knowing the audience and the age group that you are talking to?
So honestly, it's not a message; it's a request, actually, guys. The request would be, um, I've just started realizing that everything has so much of importance, and time is just fleeting by, you know. तो एक दिन ऐसे निकल जाता है, एक साल ऐसे निकल जाता है, तो वैसे मत सोचो कि 5 साल बाद क्या करोगे. Have a projection, have a vision, note it down how you want to go ahead in your life. चाहे जो भी subject या फिर if you're into like if you want to go to a better position job or or even if you're like a homemaker, see if you want to start something of your own or जो भी है. I always encourage everyone and I'll request all of you कि like have a plan for the next, let's say, 3 to 4 months. The coming 3 to 4 months, how you would want your life to look like. If you want to travel, hit the pause button. Please go on a vacation, spend time with your family, your friends, your loved one. And even another important thing, spend time by yourself. अब लोग बोलेंगे pandemic में we were by ourselves. नहीं, I'm talking about every day take out half an hour to 1 hour. Try not being on your phone. Try not to do anything. Just be by yourself. Enjoy a cup of coffee, eat, drink, talk to a friend. जो भी है जैसा भी करना है. Indulge in a game, some new hobby, or even write. I mean, these are things हम सबको पता है, but I'm requesting you guys to really inculcate it. Have a routine, have a little fun, discipline, and yeah, just don't think about 10 years from now. Think about the next 3-4 months, and you're good to go.
All right, that's great. I think I was just looking at the question, and I'll have to give you one last question before you go. And that is, people are asking, so if I need to, or if we need to try in the industry or get into be the part of the industry, what advice you would give to them? There are a lot of people who want to try in the industry.
Industry is a broad spectrum space. If it's particularly related to the film fraternity, you're an aspiring director, you're actor, you're editor, you're writer, everybody has a space. I think persistence बहुत जरूरी है, patience. Just because you're getting an offer, उसको accept मत करो. Evaluate. I mean, I have gone wrong. मैंने भी कुछ गलत, scripts choose किए होंगे, which I shouldn't have been a part of or something. It's normal, but don't give up that easily. I mean, out of 5 chances, you're gonna fail 4 times. That one time where you actually feel good, feel appreciated, and you crack it, that one chance is important. So don't give up. That's it.
All right. With that, Rida, I think I take the opportunity on behalf of the UNYC and the LPU family to thank you for your time and to be here with us. And I hope we were able to pick up some unscripted moments for you and give you a chance to, rejoice them and share it with us. And it was a pleasure talking to you, and we would love to have you in further seasons of my unscripted moments as well. More to talk about you, different parts of your life. There are still many parts that we need to explore together, and the people should know about them. So thank you so much, and it was a pleasure meeting you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, and the lovely audience. Yeah, looking forward to this. Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Thank you.